My phone, man!
Sorry.
Why are your pants down?
Your pants are down?
Like, what?
Why did you say it? You had to do it. You had to do it.
Can you pull your pants up and leave, please? Can we go?
Fine. No problem.
I have a problem with your pants, dude. The fact that they are below your ass. Put them on.
Pants are on, man.
No, call Jasmine right now.
Pants are on, son.
Yeah, your pants are not done up, son.
Whatever, son.
Oh my god.
What, you gonna do my pants for me? You gonna do it for me?
Retarded, man.
Thanks a lot, baby.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Oh my
Let's
god,
fucking
Max,
go.
I can do myself, like.
Let's go.
Max, you fuck.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, get you
Dude,
out.
I don't
This
care.
is perfect to you.
Let me see. Megan, move.
Come on, walk them out.
Why? Kate, just let me just fucking. You do Audrey.